Who gave you the order?
I take my orders from the Chief of the Philippine National Police.
So, Chief PNP.
Ang ano po namin is really to assist ang PCTC po.
Kaya nga. Oh, PCTC, did you or did you not give the order to General Marbil?
No.
No. So, General Marbil, are you lying?
General Torre, may violation ho ba sa arrest ni former President Duterte?
No, sir.
Any person arrested or detained or shall be allowed visits by or conference with any member of the immediate family or any medical doctor or priest, minister chosen by him. I saw the video, sir. President Duterte was asking for his own doctors.
Sir, we have substantial doctor.
Ang sabi kasi dito, his choice, hindi nyo choice. I saw the video wherein you're saying 2-star, ako na nagdedesisyon, I will not allow VP Sara in. Tama?
Yes, sir.
Hindi ba siya anak? Nung nakita ko tong batas na to, nakalagay, pag anak, you cannot stop them. Ang penalty nito ay 4 na taon nata na kulong.
Bawal na pigilan yung anak na bumisita. So, it's your call to violate the law.